Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a nostalgic ride back to the golden age of American automobiles as we explore one of the most iconic classics ever made, the 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. A car that didn't just define an era, it changed the way the world looked at American design, performance, and style forever. Let's dive deep into its exterior, performance, interior, and the collector value that keeps this legend alive today. When you first look at the 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air, the car instantly captures your attention with its timeless beauty. It's more than just metal and chrome, it's art on wheels. The 1955 Bel Air introduced a completely new body style for Chevrolet, one that was bold, elegant, and modern for its time. The straight body lines, the distinctive chrome trim running along the sides, and that classic two-tone paint job created a look that was both classy and sporty. The front grille, with its wide smile and heavy chrome bumper, became one of the most recognizable faces in automotive history. The wraparound windshield and tail fins gave the Bel Air a futuristic look in the mid-50s, and the car's low stance made it appear fast even when standing still. The 1955 Bel Air came in several body styles including the two-door hardtop, four-door sedan, and convertible, each one with its own charm and personality. Under the hood, the 1955 Bel Air made history as it introduced Chevrolet's first small-block V8 engine, the legendary 265 cubic inch V8. This was a game-changer. Producing around 162 horsepower, it gave the Bel Air strong acceleration and smooth power delivery, something that was rare in family cars of that time. Chevrolet also offered the Blue Flame inline-six engine for those who wanted a more affordable option, but the V8 was the one that captured enthusiasts' hearts. The car could reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 10 seconds, which was impressive for 1955. Paired with either a 3-speed manual or the Powerglide automatic transmission, the Bel Air provided a driving experience that was both exciting and comfortable. The handling was soft and smooth, designed for the open American highways rather than sharp corners, but the steering and suspension setup delivered a ride that felt solid and well-balanced. It wasn't a sports car, it was a stylish cruiser meant for long drives with the top down, a soundtrack of the 50s playing on the radio, and the open road ahead. Inside the 1955 Bel Air, you'll find a cabin that was all about comfort and class. The interior was a perfect blend of color, chrome, and craftsmanship. The two-tone upholstery matched the exterior paint, creating a unified and elegant look. The dashboard featured chrome accents, a symmetrical design, and a large, circular speedometer that added to its vintage charm. Everything inside the Bel Air felt carefully designed, from the steering wheel with the Chevrolet logo in the center to the plush bench seats that could easily accommodate 6 passengers. For 1955, this level of luxury in a mid-priced car was revolutionary. Optional features included a push-button radio, heater, and even power windows, which were cutting-edge technology for the time. It was the kind of car where every ride felt like an occasion. When it comes to price, the 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air was considered affordable luxury back in its day. The base price started around $2,000, depending on the model and options, making it accessible to the growing American middle class. But today, this car has become a collector's dream. Depending on condition, originality, and restoration quality, prices for a 1955 Bel Air can range anywhere from $40,000 to over $100,000 at auctions. Pristine convertibles or models with the original V8 engine can even go higher, especially if they retain factory colors and authentic parts. What makes the 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air so special even today is not just its looks or performance, but the way it represents an era, a time when America was booming, design was bold, and cars were more than transportation. They were symbols of freedom, status, and style. The Bel Air wasn't just a car, it was a statement. It captured the optimism of the 1950s and has continued to inspire generations of car lovers ever since. So, whether you're a collector, a classic car enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates timeless design, the 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air stands as a perfect example of what makes American classics truly legendary. It's elegant, powerful, and unforgettable, a piece of history that continues to shine even after 7 decades. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car reviews. Until next time, keep cruising in style.